Building a course that supports multiple languages doesn't have to be overwhelming, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to break down exactly how you can do it with ease. The first thing you need to understand is that offering multiple languages in your course isn't just about translation, it's about providing a seamless experience for your international audience. So let's dive into how you can achieve that. Start by using the right platform. Some course platforms allow you to easily duplicate your course content and create different versions for each language. This way, you can manage your course in multiple languages without complicating things. The software we're using for this tutorial makes this process straightforward and easy to follow, but I've tested all the major platforms, and I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial to follow along if you want. Next, think about your content delivery. It's not enough just to translate text. Consider localizing videos, quizzes, and any downloadable content too. When you're recording videos, try to use simple, clear language. If you're not fluent in a language, hiring a professional voiceover artist or translator can make all the difference in ensuring your message is accurately communicated. When translating your text-based content, use a combination of tools to ensure it's accurate and culturally appropriate. Some tools even allow you to automate this process, saving you time and effort. But always have someone who speaks the language check over everything. Automated translations can often miss nuances that only a native speaker can catch. Now, for a truly seamless experience, look for platforms that support multilingual user interfaces. This allows your students to switch between languages easily, without having to jump through multiple hoops. With our software, you can set this up quickly, providing a better user experience. Another tip, structure your course in a way that doesn't rely heavily on any one language. For example, use icons, images, and graphics that transcend language barriers. This helps maintain engagement for students who may not be fluent in the primary language of the course, but can still follow along with visuals and context. As you're creating your multilingual course, remember to keep your marketing and support in mind. Create landing pages and sales copy in the target languages, and offer support in those languages as well. This ensures that your course isn't just accessible in multiple languages, but that your students have the help they need too. Before we wrap up, the key takeaway here is simple. When building a course that supports multiple languages, focus on creating an experience that feels natural and easy to navigate for every user, regardless of language. Choose the right platform, properly translate and localize content, and always prioritize user experience. To recap, start with the right platform for managing your multilingual content, localize all your materials, and make sure your course's interface is user-friendly. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with the software we're using. And remember, if you're serious about making a multilingual course, this is your chance to get hands-on with the best platform available. So make sure to grab that free trial and start building today.